Dear 5th grade students, hi! Today we are going to learn something that is easy and important in our writing. Let's start. Today we are going to learn how to use full stops and capital letters. So at the end of this lesson, you are expected to capitalize the first letter of people's names, names of places, the days of the week. And you should also capitalize the first letter of any word after a full stop. You also need to capitalize the first letter of any word at the beginning of any sentence or a question. And always remember to capitalize the pronoun I all the time. The question is, when should capital letters go? You are asking yourself, when should I capitalize the first letter of any word? The answer is, if you have people's names, they should always be written with capital letter at the beginning. So we say Lina with a capital letter L, O, Omar, Mary and Ben. Notice how we capitalized all the letters at the beginning of these names. Also your name. What's your name? You have to write your name with a capital letter. For countries or places, Palestine with a capital P. Nablus as a city also should start with a capital letter. Ramallah, Amman, Jordan. The days of the week. All the days of the week from Saturday to Friday should be written with capital letter at the beginning. So we say Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. What's today? Yes. Also, Thursday should be written with capital letter. For names of months, for example, March, April, May, June, the first letter in all months should be written with capital letter. Now for pet names, if you have a pet and you like it and you gave it a name, always remember when you want to write about it to capitalize its name. So we say, Lexa is my cat because it has a name. After full stops, if you put a full stop, always remember to put a capital letter after the full stop. Salma likes apples. Notice we capitalize the S in Salma because it's a noun. She eats 5 apples a day. She, the S, should be capitalized because it is the first letter that comes after a full stop. Now, at the beginning of the sentence, if you start writing, you should write the first letter as a capital letter. This is my cat. Each sentence should start with a capital letter. Now, always remember that I, as a pronoun, is always capitalized. I always read stories. Omar and I study in the same class. Very good. Now, let's see when we should use full stops. When should I put a full stop? Do you know? Okay, let's see. Remember that full stops should be put at the end of a sentence. And always remember to start the next sentence with a capital letter. If you end the sentence, you should put a full stop. And the first word after the full stop should be in a capital letter. Now let's work together and do this task. Let's check our knowledge and understanding of full stops and punctuation marks. Okay, write the full stops and capital letters in these sentences. I will read the first sentence. Try to work with me. My birthday is in January. Notice that. we should start with capital letter because it's the first word in the sentence. So the M should be capitalized. January also here is capital letter because it's the name of a month. And at the end of this sentence, what should we put? We should put a full stop here. Very good. Let's look at example 2. I come from Palestine. I is a personal pronoun. It should always be capitalized. So we put I, capital letter. Palestine is a name of a country. So it should be also capitalized. P, capital P. And at the end, we should put a full stop. Very good. Now let's look at number 3. We visited Egypt last Friday. We is the first word in the sentence. So we should write the W with a capital letter. Egypt is a name of a country. So we should capitalize the E. Friday is a name of a day. So we should write the F as a capital letter. And at the end of this sentence, we put a full stop. The last example. Both Dana and Dina like dark chocolate. First of all, the first letter in the sentence should be capitalized. Very good. So we write capital B. What about Dana and Dina? They are names of girls. So we should capitalize the first letters in the two names. D, Dana, and capital D in Dina. And at the end, what should we put? Yes, we should put a full stop. Excellent, students. Now, we are done. I want you to check your understanding of full stops and capital letters and to help me rewrite the full story of my friend correctly. Actually, I forgot to put capital letters and full stops. Please help me rewriting the story. I will read it to you. Mary is my best friend. She loves playing tennis. We go to the same school. We are in the same class. We enjoy playing together. Try to do it. I'm sure you can do it. Now, as you know, you can always learn something new when you listen carefully. أعزائي طلبة الصف الخامس، إذا رغبتم بمشاهدة هذا الفيديو التعليمي لعدة مرات يمكنكم الدخول إليه من خلال الرابط أو الكود في أسفل هذه الشاشة. شكراً لكم.